A drone-mounted camera captured dozens of refugees taking the treacherous journey from Turkey's coastal town of Çeşme to set sail to the Greek island of Chios on inflatable dinghies. Footage released on Thursday showed aerial shots of refugees crossing scrubland and arriving at a beach where they embark on the dinghies. Thousands of refugees, mostly from Syria, Afghanistan and Iraq, attempt on a daily basis to cross the Aegean Sea from Turkey to Greece, a short but treacherous journey by boat, often in rough seas and in poor weather. Chios, which lies less than 8 kilometers from the Turkish coast in the Aegean Sea, has been one of the primary gateways for thousands of refugees entering the European Union's outermost border. More than 500,000 refugees and migrants have entered Greece through its outlying islands this year, in what has become the biggest humanitarian crisis on the continent in decades. On Thursday, the United Nations said refugees and migrants are likely to continue to arrive in Europe at a rate of up to 5,000 per day via Turkey this winter, and was appealing for more funds. More than 760,000 people have already crossed the Mediterranean so far this year, mainly to Greece and Italy.